Imagine being caught in a sudden, unrelenting blizzard. How does the human brain orchestrate survival? When icy winds cut through layers, the body reacts by redirecting blood flow from the extremities to vital organs, thanks to vasoconstriction. During this, the brain triggers shivering, a primitive reflex generating warmth through muscle activity. But what's truly fascinating is the brain's ability to prioritize hypothermia prevention by raising alertness levels, even under oxygen deprivation challenges due to high altitude. The anterior cingulate cortex then heightens its function, managing pain and fear amidst frostbite threats. Understanding these hidden processes showcases how our neurological and physiological systems collaborate to confront blizzard extremes, revealing nature's intricate survival blueprint.